Hi there, today we're exploring the BINO Plastic Organizer Bins, a versatile solution for home and kitchen organization. These clear bins come in a set of 4 with varying sizes, perfect for pantry shelves, refrigerators, bathrooms, or even office supplies. Made from shatter-resistant, BPA-free plastic, they are durable, food-safe, and easy to clean with just mild soap and water. The open-top design lets you quickly see contents without digging through clutter, saving you time and effort. With built-in side handles and rounded edges, these bins are easy to lift, slide, and move around any space. Their modern, minimalist look keeps your areas tidy while adding a sleek touch to your storage solutions. Whether storing food, medicine, or craft supplies, these bins help you keep everything organized and accessible. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.